Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. That's a decent sized planting hole. When you're planting your plants, please dig decent sized planting holes. Don't dig a small hole for the pot, shove it in and expect it to grow. It will struggle. It's like trying to plant a plant in a jam jar. We're planting a plant here, gorgeous, really turf Spiraea Billardii Triumphans. It's got long pink flowers like that in summer and early autumn. Really tough, hardy plant. We have a section in our web shop for plants that thrive on total and utter neglect, and this fellow's living in there. Look at a decent sized planting hole. From once he's up and running, that's it, he look after himself. We have a little bit of swell compost down in there at the bottom of the planting hole. A little bit of, very important then, Super Thrive. Many of you are not catching what this is on our video. So Super Thrive reduces transplant shock, builds plant vigor, slow release fertilizer for your plant, essential fertilizer to use when you're planting. So that goes in at the bottom of the planting hole. It's called Super Thrive. So Super Thrive at the bottom. So that's mixed in there at the bottom. A little bit of compost and soil there mixed on top of that. And then we're going to take out Spiraea Billardii Triumphans. Remember, this plant thrives on total and utter neglect. So out he comes out of his pot, in he goes. And we're just going to plant at the same depth as the surrounding soil. And we have a mixture of some swell compost and soil put back in around him again. So there's no excuses. This plant will thrive and do very well. And you know, once you do a decent sized planting hole when you're planting it, mix in that Super Thrive at the bottom, a little bit of that swell compost mixed with the soil. You'll have a fantastic plant that will thrive and do very well for you. We feed it as well every 4 to 6 weeks with some flower max to make sure we get lots and lots of flowers on this plant. So that's Spiraea Billardii Triumphans, settled in there for years and years to come. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.